If you are looking for ways how to enjoy an oil-free snack, then your search is over. Believe me or not, these are completely oil-free. As for the taste, yes, it does differ from the oil-fried ones, but they are crispy and puff up well just the way when you deep fry them in oil. Not just these, but there are a lot more items that can be fried in a similar way, which I'll be letting you know in this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fresh Bites. In this video, we are going to see a healthy oil-free mixture which can otherwise be called as a diet mixture. First, you will need a heavy bottomed pan. I have gone for a cast iron pan. Next, you will need a round skimmer. And then finally, salt. I have taken a coarse salt. You can also go for fine salt. Let's begin by frying these corn poha. Heat the pan on a medium-high flame and add the salt to it. For me, it has consumed approximately 2 cups of salt, but it all depends on the size of the pan you choose. If it is a round-based pan, then it is going to consume less amount of salt. Since mine is an electric burner, I have gone for a flat-based pan. The key point to note here is the salt has to be really hot. Keep stirring it so that the heat gets spreaded evenly. The salt is hot. Let's begin by adding the cornflakes to this. Cover the cornflakes with the salt. Keep stirring it continuously so that the corn gets heated up evenly. In a couple of minutes, you will see the corn gets puffed up. If you feel the heat is too high, you can reduce the flame. The cornflakes is fried. We can now take them out. Shake them well so that the salt that is stick to it will be removed. Next, I am going to add the makanas, which is also called as lotus seeds. These are rich in calcium, proteins, has good carbohydrates. They are gluten-free, high in magnesium, and they have even more health benefits. So it is good to include them in our diet. Roast them the similar way how we did for the cornflakes by stirring them continuously. Once they turn crisp and crunchy, it means it's done. Now I'm going to add the poha. I have taken the flat thin poha. This takes only a couple of minutes to get roasted. Be very cautious during this whole process because both the pan and the salt is going to be really hot. So if you feel the salt is too hot and the ingredients are getting burned, then reduce the flame to low. You can see the poha has puffed up. We can now shake it well and remove the salt that stuck to it. We can also roast the nuts. I have taken a handful of peanuts, few almonds, few pistachios, and some roasted chana dal. So these nuts are already roasted. So I usually roast the nuts and store them in an airtight container for snacking. But if you are using raw nuts, then it will take at least 3 to 4 minutes for them to get roasted well. Like I mentioned in the start of the video, there are a lot of items that can be fried in the similar way. And one such thing is the papad. Papad is everyone's favorite and it is usually deep fried in oil. But using this method, you get exactly the same texture and it is completely oil-free. Add the papad to the center of the pan and cover it with salt. Leave it for 30 to 40 seconds. Once the papad is done, flip it to the other side. We can also roast the rice fryams the similar way. This works for any kind of fryams. Just make sure all the corners also get the heat. You can store the salt in a container once it's cooled down, and you can use it for the roasting purpose in the future, or you can even use this for baking something on a stove top. Let's begin making the mixture. Take a large mixing bowl and add the roasted cornflakes, macanas, crush them roughly. Add the puffed rice, the roasted nuts. Now we are going to add the spices to this. Add a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and quarter teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix all the ingredients well. No need to add the salt. Since we roasted them in salt, it already has that taste. If you have curry leaves, you can even roast them and add to this. It gives a very nice flavor. And if you feel this mixture is dry, then you can add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. That's it. Our oil-free diet mixture is ready to be munched. It is a perfect healthy evening snack for kids. If you like this video, please share your feedback in the comment section below. And also don't forget to visit my channel Fresh Bites to know more such healthy recipes. Thank you. See you all in my next video.